Welcome to this short training video on how to email an EPaCCS form within the GMCR. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to ensure the form is sent securely and efficiently. Once you have an active EPaCCS, check out our other training videos on how to create an EPaCCS form. Click on the Print button. Then, click on the Download icon. Once the file has downloaded, you will be prompted to save it. Click the Save button. Open your email and click on the Attach icon. Select the EPaCCS PDF from your recent files. The EPaCCS form is now attached and ready to send. Please ensure you follow your organization's policy on securely and appropriately sharing information. For example, many organizations require encrypting emails containing personal data when sending to external parties by adding "Secure" to the subject line. Thank you for watching. If you require training or support, please contact the GMCR Product Team.